Extinction is supposed to be the end. But what if it's not? Imagine a creature vanishing from the world only to resurface decades or even centuries later, like a ghost from the past. These are the stories of animals we believed were lost forever, until they made an astonishing comeback. From hidden forests to the depths of the ocean, these Lazarus species remind us that nature is full of surprises. Let's dive into the remarkable tales of survival against all odds. In the world of science, the term Lazarus species refers to animals that were presumed extinct but were later rediscovered alive. These miraculous comebacks are not only thrilling, but also teach us vital lessons about conservation, biodiversity, and the resilience of life. Here are some of the most extraordinary examples of animals that defied extinction. First on our list is the coelacanth, a fish that predates the dinosaurs. Believed to have gone extinct over 65 million years ago, it shocked the world when one was caught off the coast of South Africa in 1938. Often called a living fossil, the coelacanth is a deep-sea dweller, hiding in underwater caves far from human reach. Its rediscovery was like finding a creature from a prehistoric time capsule, reminding us that the ocean still holds countless mysteries. Next is the pygmy tarsier, a tiny primate with enormous eyes thought to have vanished in the 1920s. For decades, it was only known from museum specimens until 2008, when scientists rediscovered them in the highlands of Indonesia. These nocturnal creatures are incredibly elusive, blending into their mossy surroundings. Their survival highlights the importance of preserving their fragile rainforest habitat. Once thought to be extinct after rats invaded its home on Lord Howe Island in the 1920s, the Lord Howe Island stick insect earned the nickname tree lobster for its massive size. Rediscovered in 2001 on a tiny volcanic outcrop called Ball's Pyramid, this insect's survival story is nothing short of miraculous. Conservationists are now working to reintroduce it to its original home, proving that even the smallest creatures deserve a second chance. The kakapo, a flightless parrot native to New Zealand, was considered extinct in the wild by the 1970s. This unique bird, known for its charming personality and nocturnal habits, fell victim to habitat loss and invasive predators. But thanks to intense conservation efforts, a small population has been nurtured back from the brink. Today, the kakapo serves as a symbol of hope for endangered species everywhere. Sometimes animals hide in plain sight. The La Palma giant lizard, native to the Canary Islands, was believed to have gone extinct centuries ago. Rediscovered in 2007 by researchers, this lizard was found clinging to survival in rocky crevices. Its story is a testament to how even the most unexpected places can harbor life. Native to the grasslands of North America, the black-footed ferret was declared extinct in the wild in the 1980s. But in a surprising turn of events, a small population was discovered on a ranch in Wyoming. Conservationists quickly sprang into action, launching a breeding program that has successfully reintroduced the ferrets to several protected areas. This comeback story is a powerful example of how human intervention can save a species on the brink. These rediscoveries aren't just thrilling, they carry a profound message. They remind us of how little we truly know about the natural world. Some species survive by retreating into inaccessible habitats, while others owe their survival to sheer luck or conservation efforts. Each rediscovery serves as a wake-up call, urging us to protect the delicate ecosystems that support life on Earth. Behind many of these stories lies the hard work of scientists, conservationists, and local communities. Their relentless efforts to preserve habitats, combat invasive species, and breed endangered animals have given these species a second lease on life. But these victories are fragile. Without continued action, these animals could disappear once again, this time for good. The stories of these animals teach us that extinction isn't always the end of the road. With determination, care, and a little luck, nature finds a way. These hidden survivors are a testament to the resilience of life and a reminder of our responsibility to protect it. Who knows what other extinct creatures might still be out there, waiting to be rediscovered? Thank you for joining us on this journey into the incredible world of nature's comebacks. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.